So here we are starting molecular basis of inheritance. This is the topic from unit genetics. It is most important chapter from NEET perspective as well as boards. The main points are highlighted. Important diagrams have been marked. Star marking has been done. As NEET point of view, I have mentioned NEET over there. Scientist name and what have they discovered and their experiment on. So kindly check all my videos. Semi-conservative replication and experimental proof, RNA world. Then we have hybrids, prokaryotes. The name of enzymes are very important. The machinery and the enzyme. Every enzyme and their role has been mentioned. Then this diagram of replication fork. Prokaryotes, eukaryotes, the site where the replication occurs. In cytoplasm prokaryotes, nucleus eukaryotes. Then D and TP and the replication fork is very important. Then the transcription unit, the 3 subunits, and NEET question also I have marked here. Then we have structure of transcription unit, the TATA box, then promoter, polymerization, template strands, genetic codes. Everything is very important from this chapter. For boards, it is very important topic. It contains a good weightage. MCQ, LAQ, SAQ, everything can be made out of this. Particular topic has more importance, like for tRNA, the adapter molecule, you can write the whole short note with diagram, then sites and their code, etc. I've specifically mentioned here tRNA adapter, then what are anticodons, second most stable rRNA. The mnemonic is RMT for RNA polymerase. Then capping, tailing, splicing, introns, remove exon, then what is the linkage formed. The diagram here is very important. I've written the stability and amount, the sequence, and I have mentioned scientist name, Nirenberg, George Gamow, triplet, cell-free synthesis, then we have H.G. Khurana. Everything has been highlighted and mentioned on the side columns. And then we have the salient features of genetic code, which is also an important question. Then clover leaf structure.